At IT by Design, we help MSPs protect profitability and scale faster. We are your MSP growth engine. It all starts with people. Our global talent, based in the Philippines and India, delivers MSP-trained professionals from SOC to Type II facilities, ready to perform from day one next. Our infrastructure-managed services keep your operations running seamlessly. 24/7, NOC SOC Helpdesk, RMM admin, and professional services, built to scale as you grow and connecting it all. Our intelligent agents. They help you triage leads, set goals, and create reviews that drive performance. Always learning, always improving, helping you scale intelligently through AI and automation. Drive real performance with Team GPS, our platform that helps you align your teams, measure success, and grow with purpose. And because growth doesn't happen alone, our community keeps you future-focused. Through Build It and our peer groups, MSP leaders collaborate, share best practices, and build intelligence-driven businesses. A high-trust, go-giver community building the future together. Real results, real impact, 20 to 70% labor cost savings, 192% valuation gain, ROI in just 90 days. IT by Design, your MSP growth engine.